welcome to my channel Rug Stories. I'm Kavita and today is day 3. So I'm currently at Swami Narayan Temple, which you can see right behind me. That is in Silvassa. So I checked out from Daman in the morning and I took a direct auto. I booked an Ola auto and took a direct auto and came to Silvassa. So I'll be exploring Silvassa. So the first stop for today is the Swaminarayan temple, and the temple is very beautiful. It's very intricate. The architecture is very intricate. So see the visuals. So after visiting the Swaminarayan temple, I was heading to Bandhara Garden, which is around 700 meters from the Swaminarayan temple. However, while coming before hitting the bridge, there's a bridge actually. Not sure if you can see behind me. Before hitting the bridge, uh, I saw a board which mentioned Trupteshwar Mahadev Mandir. So I decided to come down and check it out. And it's really a small linga that is there. So let me show you that. After Trupteshwar Mahadev, I am now heading towards Bandhara via a bridge. So you can see the bridge that I'm taking. So it's around 500 meters, I believe now. So I'll see you there. I'll see you at Bandhara. It's a pretty small garden. There are many equipments for exercise. So, and it has a Damanganga river view. So after Bandhara garden, now I am heading to Silvassa riverfront. It's just 200 meters from there. Just a little walk. I could see it from up as well. So it's on the same Damanganga river. So let's go and check that out. So it's beautiful. I'm going to watch the sunset from here. It's really nice to take a stroll. So now I'm having a corn chart from here. I have corn chaat and coffee. Though it is very sunny, I still need coffee. So, and I'll show you the views. It's so amazing. It's a nice place. Corn chaat with a view of the Daman Ganga River. It's nice. It's tangy and nice. So I'm at this stall where I just had chaat, and if you can see, Modi ji has visited this place.
यहाँ के एडमिनिस्टर है प्रफुल्ल भाई पटेल,
दीव दमन
दमन दीव और
दादरा नगर हवेली
दादरा।
लक्षद्वीप
लक्षद्वीप के भी एडमिनिस्टर है।
एडमिन। ओके।
उन्होंने मुझे स्प्राउट चाट और हेल्दी फूड के लिए अवार्ड दिया था इनका।
अच्छा, आपका नाम?
सीता सीता गुप्ता।
Acha. So Sita was at the stall. She actually got an award from Modi ji for the healthy food. So for the sprout chaat,
हाँ, मॉर्निंग में स्प्राउट चाट हेल्दी इसके वजह से दिया था।
healthy sprout mix for that. So it's really nice to come and have something healthy, and even I had healthy from here. So if you happen to visit the Silvassa, so please come and have something, and it is very tasty. Actually, it's very tasty. So my coffee is here. We also went for a training, that is the rural self-employment training. So where they're promoting healthy food. So this is the healthy food stall. Do come, do visit, and meet Geeta.
सीता
Sita, sorry. I'm confused between Geeta and Sita. So when you come, do meet Sita. And she's very lovely to have a chat with. So after having a very nice chat with Sita, I'm now just going to explore a little ahead. And before coming here, I visited the Trupteshwar Mahadev Mandir, which was on the way, which I have shown in the video. So I got to know from Sita that it is a Swayambhu temple, and it has just come up, like it's not even a month old. So I'm very blessed. I feel very blessed at this point of time to have come across it. So it's really nice, and I'll show it to you from here as well. You can see it from here too. You see your orange flag there? So that is the one. That is the Swayambhu temple. What I heard from Sita is now they are preparing. So it was just a linga, like I showed you, it's just a linga. So now they are planning to construct it into a temple. The plans are going on for it. So it's nice. Blessed to get darshan, the Swayambhu temple. So let me show you a little. This is the Vandhara garden I was at. You can see. And that's the bridge I came walking from Swaminarayan temple. So the sun has set. I had a little more chat with Sita, and I saw how she makes the khakra chaat. So something I'll go and prepare at home. So this is healthy
मैंने
khakra chaat.
हाँ,
Khakra,
खाखरा और टमाटो
mayonnaise,
केचप।
khakra, tomato ketchup, and mayonnaise.
काकड़ी, कुकुम्बर,
Cucumber,
ऑनियन,
onion, tomato, and lemon. Some coriander. And now the spicy. Red chili powder. Yeah.
चाट मसाला चाट
Chaat masala.
ब्लैक सॉल्ट
Black salt.
नॉर्मल सॉल्ट
Salt.
आमचूर पाउडर
Amchur powder. Wow, nice. Lot of spicy. And to top it, the same. It's getting set like a pizza.
ओके रेडी
Nice, it is ready.
ओके
Bye.
मोस्ट
And
वेलकम
if you come, do try Sita's healthy charts, which is nice. Simple ingredients and nice and healthy. So I'm just taking a stroll around, and this place is so nice that you don't feel like going back. It's I mean, you can just, I think, keep walking around in the evening, throughout the evening. So this is that good. Today is day 2 in Silvassa. I'm back from the lion safari. A little disappointed. Satmalia Deer Park. And they only pack only one